Welcome to Adhan Food and Travel. I'm Shalini. We are here today in Jubilee Hills at Naatuga Gaatuga. Let's go check this place out. I really like their artwork. I want to know about this. And there seem to be Teriyala masks painted over here. So the theme of this place is supposed to be very South Indian, especially Telugu cuisine. Let's go check it out. So as soon as you come in, they give you a glass of Miriyala Rasam and Vadiyalu as a welcome complimentary gift. Wow, this is so good. This is so good, guys. It's such a beautiful welcome. So they say the thaali over here is the most famous item because it costs about 400 rupees. And nowhere in the city do you get so many different varieties which have non-vegetarian food as well. Let's dig in. Capsicum is very good. Oh my god, the prawns are cooked so well. This is how the mutton is. Very good. Okay, that's the karivepaku chicken. It has such a good flavor of curry leaves. It's something I've never tasted before. I love it. I think I love this the most right now. The fish fry is pretty okay. Oh, this is the same rasam that we got in the beginning. The beans taste very home-like. Oh yeah, this vankai pachadi is definitely the very authentic Telugu recipe. So that was it, guys. To be honest, I couldn't finish the whole thali. It was so much food. One of the best things about this place is that you get the thali for about 350 bucks and it is so much food. There is no other place in the city where you can get a buffet, a thali with so many different varieties for such a low cost. Hello sir, మీ పేరు?
లక్ష్మణ్.
నైస్ టు మీట్ యూ. మీరు ఫస్ట్ టైం వస్తున్నారా ఇక్కడికి?
ఫస్ట్ టైం వచ్చాను.
ఎలా నచ్చుతుందండి మీకు ఫుడ్?
చాలా బాగుందండి, చాలా బాగుంది. పులావ్, చికెన్ పులావ్ చాలా బాగుంది. బయట కూడా క్లైమేట్ కూడా బాగుంది. హోటల్ చాలా నైస్ ఉంది, చాలా బాగుంది.
ఘాటుగా ఉందా? బాగా
స్పైసీగా ఉంది.
నాటుగా కూడా ఉందా?
వెరీ నాట్.
థ్యాంక్ యూ సార్. సో దిస్ ఇస్ మీ ఆఫ్టర్ having my food here. So guys, that's it. This place is perfect for anyone that is looking to eat proper Telugu food in budget. So come here, check this out. The thali is very, very, very good. Description is linked below. You can check that for the location and further details. Please subscribe to our channel. I've been Shalini.